and district related MCQs from past paper. MCQ number one. What is the largest desert in the world? The answer is Antarctic Desert. Largest desert Antarctica. Largest hot desert answer is Sahara. Which river is the longest in the world? दुनिया में सबसे तवील दरिया कौन सा है? दरियाई नील. लॉन्ग लेंथ इज 6,650 किलोमीटर. Longest river Nile, largest by water volume Amazon. Which country has the largest population? India. Population countries India and China. India is the highest population as compared to China. What is the highest mountain in the world? Is Mount Everest. Having height is 8,848 meters. Located in Nepal-China border. The equator passed through how many countries? 13. इक्वेटर कितनी कंट्री में से पास करते हैं? 13 कंट्री में से. Who discovered sea route to India? हिंदुस्तान का बहरी रास्ता किसने दरियाफ्त किया? वेस्को दा गमा. Who is known as the Iron Man of Germany? Otto von Bismarck. The First World War started in 1914. The Second World War ended in 1945. Who was the first president of the United Nations? George Washington. What is the largest continent in the world? Asia. According to their area and population. Largest continent Asia, smallest Australia. What is the smallest continent? Australia. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific Ocean. Largest ocean, Pacific. Deepest ocean, Pacific. Which ocean is the smallest? Arctic. Which country is called the land of rising sun? जापान। Land of rising sun is Japan. Which country is called the land of midnight sun? Norway. Norway. Which civilization is considered the oldest in the Indian subcontinent? Indus Valley Civilization. हड़प्पा पंजाब का शहर, पाकिस्तान से। मौजूदा सिंध। Who was known as the father of history? Herodotus. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Babur. Founder of Mughal Empire, Babur. Who founded the Maurya Empire? Sikandar Gupta Maurya। तो ये थे जी आज के हमारे लेटेस्ट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यू जो 12 बार कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में आते हैं पास्ट पेपर के अकॉर्डिंग है। तो उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अच्छी लगी तो चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। थैंक यू। अल्लाह।